Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. We're back with another brand new video for you all. Today we will talk about how leveraging email marketing can be a huge blessing for your business. Make sure to stick with us till the end because we'll mention free tools that you can use to boost your business. Email marketing helps to reach a laser-targeted audience with messages about your products and services, increasing awareness of your brand, obtaining new clients, and so much more. Huge ROI is one of the biggest advantages of email marketing. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to market your business. In fact, on average, they generate an ROI of 4,400%. Personalizing content is another great benefit of using email marketing. It allows you to tailor your content for your segmented audiences so that each recipient sees the information that is most relevant to them. You can generate qualified leads through your email marketing campaign. These leads are easier to manage and your sales team won't waste time on leads that won't convert. You can analyze the performance of your emails with lead scoring. Now let's talk about a few free tools that you can use to start your email marketing journey. Number 1, Hubspot. Hubspot is one of the leading marketing platforms that helps you grow your business. Their email marketing tool is one of their offerings and can help you reach new audiences with ease. You can choose your template from a pre-made catalog and edit it according to your goal. The free plan is designed for startups and small businesses. You can send up to 2,000 emails per month with an unlimited number of contacts in your database. Furthermore, you can preview your email as a specific recipient before sending it off to make sure everything is properly formatted. Number 2, MailChimp. MailChimp offers a series of tools that are aimed at helping small businesses create professional-looking campaigns and branded email content. They can save time and their branding looks stunning. The email builder comes with a set of basic templates that you can customize to fit your branding requirements. Basic automation is also included in the free plan. These features allow you to connect with your audience on autopilot depending on their past online behavior. You can use MailChimp's free plan to reach up to 2,000 contacts and 10,000 sends per month. Your basic features are included, like segmentation, audience dashboard, and one-click automation processes. Number 3, Moonsend. Moonsend is a popular email marketing and automation tool that lets you create beautiful email campaigns, automate your efforts, and smoothens your lead generation process. It has generous limits on the free plan and powerful features, which e-commerce businesses can make good use of. The email builder works exactly as you would expect. You can edit your email template by using the drag and drop functions and the rich text editor to put together a message very quickly. Moonsend is free for up to 1,000 subscribers and offers unlimited emails. Number 4, Sendinblue. Sending emails to your customers is important for any business, and Sendinblue not only offers services like email marketing, but also customer relationship management and landing page creation. Sendinblue gives you more than 70 templates for designing your email, meaning there is a design that fits any occasion. You can also preview how it will look on varied screen formats and sizes. Sendinblue gives you free 300 emails per day along with unlimited subscribers. Number 5, MailerLite. One other great platform in our list of free email marketing platforms is MailerLite. It has a sleek design and drag-and-drop editor, which makes it a breeze to create campaigns, whether or not you have any previous experience with email automation. Apart from email marketing, the free version will give you access to advanced features such as segmentation, contact tagging, email automation, and A/B testing, which are all necessary for a successful campaign. Reporting and analytics are also present in the free version. MailerLite is free for up to 1,000 contacts and 12,000 emails per month. Number 6, MailJet. The design and segmentation features of this email service are the perfect tool to generate tailored email campaigns for your target audience. This easy-to-use service will allow you to unleash your inner creative genius with its fun and intuitive drag-and-drop interface. One of the unique features of MailJet is that it provides a pay-as-you-grow pricing model. This feature can be beneficial for anyone who has a budget constraint or getting started with email marketing. It also makes it easy to collaborate on emails with your team and update everything at the same time. MailJet is free for unlimited subscribers and allows 6,000 emails per month. Number 7. Sendpulse. Sendpulse has a wide range of templates to choose from, or you can create your own using the drag-and-drop editor. You'll also have access to Sendpulse's stellar support team, including live chat support with their free plan. After analyzing your customers' interests, you can set up these customized emails to be automatically sent out at the right time based on variables like user behavior and event triggers. It lets you analyze the open, click, and read rates of your subscribers, as well as their unread rate. You can even tailor your emails based on fields like the recipient's name, date of birth, gender, and job role. Sendpulse offers up to 15,000 emails per month for 500 subscribers. That's all for today's video. Hope you found it useful. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like these. Please support us by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now.